Unit 8, Day 2, homework tutorial. Again, I'll just work through some of the problems with you, and then the rest is on your own. On the first side of your assignment, you have to find the distance between the 2 points in each quadrant of the graph. So I'll just demonstrate one quadrant, and then you have to finish the rest. So I'm going with quadrant 1, which is in the top right corner. So you're going to want to form a triangle with the points and a couple of straight lines. So first things first, connect the 2 points. And then straight down and straight across. It should be a right triangle. Alright, so when I count the sides, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And go upward, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the distance between these 2 points would be the hypotenuse, or C, of this right triangle. So again, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So in this scenario, that would be 4 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16. 7 squared is 49. Add 16 with 49, you're going to get 65. And then we take the square root of both sides because all we want is c. And we need to grab our handy dandy calculator to calculate the square root of 65. It's about 8.1, or sorry, it wanted to the hundredths, so that's 8.06. Again, hundredths means 2 places behind the decimal. So finish the rest of this side on your own. On the back side, I'll do the odd problems with you. Number 1 wants us to find the perimeter of the triangle. In order to find the perimeter, I have to first find the missing side length, which again happens to be C because it's across from the right angle. So I would have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So that's 14 squared plus 48 squared equals c squared. And I believe we had this one on our notes, 14 squared and 48 squared. If I'm not mistaken, it's 2,500. But let's go to our calculator and double check. Yes. And we take the square root of both sides. And you should get 50 is equal to C. All right, so again, C is equal to 50. To find the perimeter, we add 48, 14, and 50. So 112 should be the perimeter. of this triangle. Let's look at number 5. Number 5 says going to the store. Abby walks zero point 0.9 miles south. So this would be 0.9. And then 1.2 miles east. Oh my gosh, that was supposed to be straight, but 1.2. And then she walks home on a straight path when she goes back. So this is her path home. What was the distance of her path? So we're looking for C. So again, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's 0.9 squared plus 1.2 squared equals c squared. Grab our calculator. 0.9 squared plus 1.2 squared is 2.25. And now we're going to take the square root of both sides. And it's 1.5. So her distance was 1.5 miles. And then last one I'm going to do with you all is number 3. Two motorcycles start at the same point. One motorcycle travels 15 kilometers north and stops. The second motorcycle travels 32 kilometers west and stops. Find the distance between the two cycles. So we have one going north and the other one going west. The north part was 15 kilometers and the west was 32 kilometers. And to figure out how far apart they are, we're looking again for C. So that would be 32 squared plus 15 squared equals C squared. $12.49. And now we take the square root. And it's about 35. No, it says round to the nearest tenth. So 35.3. And this concludes your tutorial for this assignment. Good luck on the rest.